Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make 4 trick-or-treat bags using different type of boxes or bags. The first one is in form of the coffin. You can die cut in purple paper, but I decide that I want like um, spots, shadows in the coffin, like make it to look a little bit old, and it's for that I decided to use the oxide inks. And then I just splattered with water and black acrylic paint. Sorry for the black dot in the screen, but when I splashed it, I didn't figure it out that I have one in my camera lens. And it's going to be our companion for the whole video, I believe. Um, After I color, I just with my copy markers, I color the part of the skeleton that I'm going to use in the coffin. I didn't put that part in the video, but I did glue the skeleton and the, how do you say that, skeleton, whatever, in the coffin, and I glue the hat and the bow. As you see, I adding glossy accents to it. After that, I'm going to ensemble the box. Is for me was a little bit tricky. Maybe the way I did it was a little bit tricky for me, but I also decided to put a ribbon in the top of the box for to be easy to handle. Is you going to make this to handle for kids or for a party? When I finish the top of the part of the box, you close completely. Is for that I have like a window to put the ribbon, and the canvas go out in the bottom. Maybe before close completely the top, you want to fill it up with the canvas. I don't know if the canvas can go through the bottom part. I also add a googly eye to make it funny. Then I stamped the trick-or-treat word in the, I think it was the trick-or-treat word in the bottom of the box. I also die cut a spider and I put it to the side. The next box is like in a bag shape. I cut it in a orange paper, and I just add a pocket in black, and inside the pocket I going to insert witch's legs. These legs I cut it in black and in purple, and I cut the strips of the purple and put it in top of the black paper. The shoes I leave it the way they are. I only add the Spectrum Noir sparkle in purple to the stripes of the stockings of the witch legs, and in the shoes I add the crystal clear sparkles, and after that I add glossy accents to the shoes. Then I'm going to glue the shoes inside the little pocket, and I also going to add the words Happy Halloween in the pocket outside. These boxes are try to make it a little bit simple, because if you make this, maybe you have to make a lot, maybe because you're going to give it for trick-or-treating, or maybe because you're going to give it in a party or something like that. But you have to make a little bit of boxes, and it's for that it's better if the work go in a simple way than in a complicated way. The most complicated that I did was the coffin type, and it's because I decorated a lot, but you can make that one in the simple way too. For the third box, this one is super 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 simple. I just die cut this box. It's a like a lunch type box, and I just stamp die cut it in pattern paper with candy canes, and I use vellum to stamp ghost in Versamark, and use my white embossing powder and just cut them. I didn't feel the way it finished because when I stamped the trick or treat, it get bad stamping. The stamping was bad from fabric, and it damaged the work, and I have to stamp it again. And you will see it in the last and in the pictures and the last part of the video. This one I made with Sharpies and a spray distress spray stain. This one was I made special for doing with kids because they love to participate in this type of craft and Halloween stuff. And this one is super easy. You just cut the box, spray with the distress spray stain, and then you with Sharpies you do these lines. And I decorate with the day of the Halloween and bats. And that's it. I just add a little bit of glitter to the bats and a little bit of glossy accent to the numbers. And that's it. The boxes are done. Well, I hope you liked them. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next time. Goodbye.